Charlie to Pakistan 304. Pakistan 304, Alaikum Assalam, go ahead. Serbia Power Stand 13, request to start 1 engine on the left destination, Lahore level 370, 127, Silver. Confirm duty is disengaged. Yes, 300.
Okay, 40%.
400.
50%. It's not good enough.
Okay. Y17 हो गया. Y17. Okay. ये कम था. Probably. Starting number 2. Start number 2.
Let's start with
30% and 1 30% and 1
turn number 2.
Baba, introduction number 2 is next. Thank you. Karachi ground, Assalamualaikum, Air Blue 404. 300. Stand by Air Blue 404.
40%.
400. 6 units, switch set in mid position, no light.
6 switch set to mid position, no light. Electricals,
No light essential normal.
hydraulics,
Normal.
engine limit control switch,
Override normal.
ground equipment, right hand signal receive sir. And negative sir, requesting taxi clearance now. Mike Eco Hotel for 25 left, Pakistan 304. Okay sir, signal received sir.
Left clear.
Right is clear sir.
takeoff कर दी.
Okay, जी. Take off. Bismillah.
Your takeoff, sir.
My takeoff. Okay, जी. Power stabilized.
Yes, sir.
Set takeoff thrust.
Setting takeoff thrust. Power set.
Check. 80 knots.
Check.
V1. Rotate. V2. Positive flying.
Gears up.
Yes. Ah, yes. Gears up and off. Acceleration altitude. Acceleration altitude.
Flying thrust.
45 level 7 with Pakistan 304. 2.5 sir. Assalamualaikum, Karachi approach Pakistan 304 with your Badali Charlie.
Pakistan 304, Karachi, Walaikum Assalam, notified on departure, proceed direct November Hotel, from unrestricted level 370.
Direct November Hotel unrestricted 370 Pakistan 304. 370 direct November Hotel.
370 is set.
Check sir.
Direct November Hotel. Lab green.
Check. $187. $3,000.
Set standard. Flaps 5.
Flaps coming up 5 plus 80. Plus 60, sorry.
Flaps 1.
Flaps coming up 1, moving on the gauge.
Delta Monastery, Karachi, Radar Complex, proceed position Army, descend level 6.
Proceed direct Marvin, near descent 60, another 186.
Flaps up.
Up. In the notch, moving on the gauge. Flaps up, no line.
After takeoff, check this.
Delta.
Reduce climb.
Reduce time.
Reduce thrust. Altimeters.
Set and cross check.
Set and cross check.
Set and cross check.
Approach is 1213.
Check.
Active
Set.
localizer is 109.9. Will set later.
Check, sir.
Final approach course is 360. Will set later.
Checked.
Locator out marker 1947. 338 is set both sides.
Set.
And the CN altitude is 923 feet set.
Set.
And for reference 216 feet.
Set on my side. Descent ले रहा हूँ sir.
हाँ जी.
Lahore, Pakistan 304 requesting descent clearance.
Descent approach checklist.
जी circle
18
breakers
down
are
to
checked.
190 Pakistan 304.
Crew briefing.
Complete.
Complete.
Landing data.
Bug set.
Not sir.
Landing data 136 है.
136.
156. 136, 156, 176,
136.
156,
56.
76,
76.
and 216.
216.
Landing data bug set, radio altimeters,
Bug set.
Mark set. ऊपर कितना है sir?
bug set 157. Fuel set for landing, resetted last check, pressurization set. Down to the broken line.
Check.
Weather be ILS DME 36 right है 26005 knots 7 kilometers. Cater 20,000.
Check.
Temperature 37.
Checked.
37.
37. हाँ.
My God.
1.1006. And birds around the aircraft.
Okay. Best approach is climb straight ahead. Lima Alpha 2 DME. Turn left to intercept.
Checked.
1213 for further Alpha Alpha Golf.
Radial 320 outbound Lima Alpha viewer climbing to 2800 in contact ADC.
Check sir.
And MSA is 2100. Transition level is flight level 50.
Check.
Landing 36 right, 11,024 feet with stop way of 400 feet. And 36 right, we have high intensity runway edge light 60 meters apart, center line 30 meters apart. High intensity approach lighting system, category 2, touchdown zone Papis, angle is 3 degrees. Beyond glide slope is 10,113 feet with width of 151 feet.
Check sir.
After landing, we'll go to the end of the runway and turn right.
Pakistan 304 is out of 150 for 130. Requesting further.
Pakistan 304 Lahore descent 3,000 feet of QNH.
Artillery cleared 3,000 feet on QNH. Understand 1006.
3000 set.
Checked.
Pakistan 304 continue descent altitude 2,800 feet on the QNH. Turn left on a heading of 035 and clear down is 36 right.
So down to 2,800 on QNH and right heading 035 and cleared RS 36 right. Call established Pakistan 304.
Left heading 035, right heading will make you 360.
Left 36 035 sir. Correction. Yeah.
Flaps 5.
Speed good. Flaps 5 selected. Moving on the gauge.
Lahore approach, Assalamualaikum, this is Alpha Papa Bravo Echo November.
Flaps 10.
Flaps coming up 10. Light slope green. Go down altitude is set.
Okay, the gears down.
Gears coming down sir. Speed good. Pakistan 304 established 36 right.
11 miles to go, Pakistan 304, check with sound and log, contact tower 1.5 minutes.
1181 Allah Hafiz, Pakistan 304.
Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum Lahore, Pakistan 304 with you, establish 36 right, 10 miles.
Pakistan 304, Walaikum Assalam, recheck gears down and locked, sufficient light and variable, caution bird, clear land 36 right.
Wind cautions covered, clear land 36 right, Pakistan 304.
Thank you.
Standing by for the flaps, sir.
Stand by.
One to go. Already on ILS, go around altitude is set.
Already on ILS. Flaps 20.
Okay, sir, speed good. Flaps 20 set. Landing checklist down to the flaps.
Not required off. Down in green light.
Down and green light.
Down in and green light. Speed brake.
Arm.
Landing lights are on. Landing announcement announced. Down to flaps.
Standing by for the flaps.
Okay. Flaps 30.
Flaps 25, flaps 30 set. 30 green.
Check.
Okay, जी flaps are
30 green light.
38 green lights. Hydraulics are normal. Landing clearance.
Obtained.
Landing checks complete.
Thank you. Instrument warning on my side, runway. Runway flag on. Okay, sir. Outer marker height check.
Checked.
1000 feet. Approach stabilized.
Instruments checked. Approach stabilized.
Okay,
Approach
flag
No
on.
flag.
Landing checks complete.
Landing clearance obtained. Flag removed.
Checked.
Wind is 2359 knots.
Checked.
It's
Tailwind
from
of
your
7 knots.
Tailwind, yes, sir. 37 knots. Visual with the field.
Landing. Visual.
Uh, 100 feet above minimum. 50 feet above minimum. Minimum.
Landing.
Wind is tailwind of 9 knots.
Landing.
Check. Tailwind of 4 knots.
100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
$80 knots. 60 knots. 40 knots.
Pakistan 304 landed 46, taxi to stand number 7 via Sierra and Romeo.
Sierra Romeo for stand 7, Pakistan 304.
After landing, when ready.
Okay.
Okay, sir. On APU electric or training complete.
Okay.
Keep all lights off.
Aircraft stationary.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Parking check. Sorry, shutdown.
Shutdown checklist.
Okay, sir. Shutdown checklist. Start levers.
Cut off.
Seatbelt sign.
Off.
Nasal anti-ice off. Pro heat off. Window heat off. Exterior lights beacon off. Parking brakes.
Released.
Air conditioning.
One pack on.
Fuel boost pumps.
Off.
Reserve fuel transfer switch.
Closed.
Cabin announcement.
Announced.
Air pumps.
Off.
INS.
Off.
Flight deck access system switch.
Off.
Shutdown checklist complete, sir.
Thank you.
Sure.